Okay guys, today I'm gonna replace the Evap charcoal canister for this 2004 Honda Pilot. I've been looking on YouTube and there's no videos about changing this the charcoal canister. I shot a code for a replacement on that. I did replace the fuel cap is not working, so the code came up for evap leak charcoal canisters. So I just ordered this from what do you call it, rockauto.com. okay, and it just arrived like yesterday. So today I'm gonna this is what it looks like. This is the new one. Okay, it's nicely packaged and came with like a little gasket right here. Okay, so I'm gonna try my best to replace this so that you guys can see it. I don't see anything in YouTube or things like that. There are several videos, people doing diagnostics and stuff like that, but the actual replacement of the charcoal canister, I haven't seen one. So I'm gonna try to do the best that I can, as detailed as I can, but you know, filming it myself and trying to get a good angle on it might not be able to you know, get really good footage of it, but I will try my best. Okay, and it's if you come like right, you know, at the driver's side door, it's like right underneath where you jack up your you put your jack stand and jack it up. Okay, so from right where your jack stand is at, you'll come down to here, and it has like a let me see, do a wide angle on that on my phone. Okay, you see this cover right here? Okay, it has like there's like a couple of screws, okay, on all four sides. Okay, so you're gonna have to take these screws out. Okay, so I'm gonna set the camera down, and then after I take that down, I will reveal where the canister is at. Okay, I got the cover down right there. See that? That's where the screw used to be on the four sides, right? So once you take that down, right here, the cover down, we'll just put that over there, and let me get a shot of how it is right there. See that? That's the old one. Okay, that's the old canister with all its hoses and threadings and stuff like that right there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, there's like a couple screws that is holding this up. Okay, one is right here at the end here, and then one is right up here, right in there. Okay, and let me see if after I take those off, see how many we have left. It should be just be those two or another one, but if it doesn't come off, I'll let you guys know. Okay, all right. Okay, so you see this is the back of the canister, and on top it has like a slider here. Okay, this slider right here, I'm gonna take you to that right there. Okay, so you guys can see it. That's the slider up here. Okay, so all you need to do is push that up, and then push this one forward like this. Once you push it forward, bam, it's down. Okay, so it's down like this. It's already down. It's like that. Okay, so once it's down, all you need to do is unhook everything there. Okay, So if you're not sure what to do, just take a picture of it, okay? And then just put it, thread everything back the way it's on there right now. See that? This is the top of the charcoal canister, okay? And you got all your hoses and your threads there, right there. Okay, so since I can't film and take it out at the same time, I'm gonna set the camera down and get all the hoses out all first, okay? And then I'll videotape it again. Okay, so gotta disconnect this one right here, right? And then this one was on here, okay? So you connect this one. You can use a flat like this, okay, and just push it out, or you can just like that. And then once you got those two off, there's two on the back of this right here. Okay, you gotta use there's like a clamp right here, so unclamp that right there and use a screwdriver to get that out. And then the bottom one, okay? So that's off right there. Now for this one here, okay? Okay, so for this one that goes here, all you need to do is press the side here, okay? Like that. There's like two things that you press at here. Once you press it like that, it'll come, just pull it, it will come right off, okay? And then there's the middle one here. You just need a clamp right here and pull it out, okay? So here's the old one, and this is the new one, okay? So I'm just gonna put it the way I took it out, and then that should be it, okay? All right. Okay, so the only thing that you have to do is take this hose right here from here, put it here, and then you need to take this one right here, okay? These goes here, okay? So okay, so once you take the both of the screws out, you need to wiggle a little bit so that thing will come out from here. See how dirty that is right here compared to the new one right here? Okay, so what you need to do is put this back in here into the new one. Okay, once you put it in there, put your screws on. Okay. Okay, so we're all set. All of our things are on, and now I'm gonna go and snap all these hoses right back on there. Okay, so when you pedal back, just snap this back on. Okay, and then the one in the back here, you're gonna have to use a plier or something like that to squeeze this. Okay, and then just put this one, the bigger hose right here, back on. Okay, press these two buttons here, and then okay, snapped on. Okay, and then the one back here. Okay, And then there's two in front of here that you just snap back on, okay? So, and then you should just mount this right back up like that, okay? So let me put these two right here back on. Okay, so all your hoses and everything's back on the two here, the one on the side, this one on the side, and this clip, everything's on. Okay, there's nothing left. Okay, so all I need to do is put it back and make sure this clip hits here, okay, so that you can just slide it back in. Okay, you see that clip right here needs to go in here, okay? So you need to push it over here and then pull it back, okay? So like that. Once it's there, pull it back like that, and you're good, okay? So all you need to do now is put the screw right back here in there, and you're good. All right. Socket is number 12. Everything else that I've been using is number 10, okay? So it's size number 12. And then to secure it, it's just this one hole, just this one screw here that will secure the whole charcoal canister. Okay, so this is the screw that yeah, this is the screw that holds the whole canister up. Okay, so once you get that done, okay, then all you have to do is put this let's see. Okay, put this cover back on. And this cover is held up by 4 screws on 4 sides, okay? One here, one there. Let me see. Here. So all these use size 10 socket, okay? I like to thread everything by hand first, you know, not to force it. You're gonna mess up the thread. So okay, when it's all good, okay, and then just torque it a little bit. You know, I don't have a torque wrench, but just make sure it's tight. Not too tight, but okay. And then you're all set. This is it. This is your 2004 Honda Pilot Evap canister or charcoal canister replacement. Okay, and please, you guys, if you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, thank you for coming by.